What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from WellStar Reviews and Healthy Well Free. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Liquid IV Electrolyte Mix. Now, I've been a health and wellness educator for 17, 18 years now, and the Liquid IV Hydration Mix was something that I used in my sort of mid-20s, about like more than 10 years ago now. And I recently, several years ago, I was at a health conference, Expo West actually in Anaheim, and I remember them handing out samples and I was like, oh cool, I've taken this before. And for whatever reason, I looked at the label and I was like, this is trash. So Liquid IV has, check this out, their ingredients are pure cane sugar, which is just creating inflammation, dextrose, which is a form of glucose, which is a form of sugar, which can cause bloating, diarrhea, and gut issues, and then citric acid, which can be literally derived from mold, I kid you not. And then salt, potassium citrate, potassium all these phosphate, silicon dioxide, which is an anti-caking agent, which that's not good either. So it's a very unclean electrolyte powder, and it's very popular, I think because the name, Liquid IV, is just a good name. But there are different electrolytes that I would personally recommend. So it's a very dirty and unclean electrolyte powder. And as a health coach and wellness educator for, like I said, many, many years now, it's what I've done full time for a living. There are a few different brands I'd recommend. Number one, Optimized Minerals. This has 70 ionic trace minerals and they're chelated minerals. It has a really good range of minerals. I really like this one, and it tastes good and it's clean. There's no crazy added things. Literally the other ingredients are aloe vera, burdock root, ancient sea salt, trace minerals from seawater, monk fruit extract, potassium chloride, which is the best form of potassium. And then, yeah, there is citric acid in here, but I just noticed that this company just is a much higher quality. They're family owned, it's third-party lab tested, which is huge. And they just do a much better job overall. So it's much cleaner and it has a broader array of minerals overall. I will say, I really like this a lot. They also have a really good vitamin tincture that tastes really good. So I like that company. I'll link them up below with a discount code. But the company that's my favorite, honestly, for electrolytes is Paleovalley. And the reason for that is because they're, first of all, they taste the best. So they have an orange flavor, lemon, lime, and watermelon. I like all of their flavors, orange, lemon, lime, and watermelon. And literally the ingredients are magnesium, sodium, potassium from organic coconut water, a little bit of organic turmeric root, and then seaweed extract and sea salt. So the thing I love about this specifically, I would say this, the Optimized Minerals electrolytes give you a wider array of minerals because there's 70 plus ionic trace minerals. So minerals and trace minerals, which is great because that gives you a really wide array of minerals. However, if you're just going for hydration in the gym specifically, this has seaweed extract, sea salt, and coconut, which those are three really great sources of electrolytes specifically for hydration and sort of your muscles and really kind of getting in the gym and sweating. So both are great. This is a better gym electrolyte, I would say, and this is a better overall mineral supplement, if that makes sense. But I have a 15% off link to this, and then this one right now, believe it or not, they have a buy one, get one free. This is already like this is like $55 and this is like $40. And they're very close in size, 360 grams compared to 258 grams. So this is a little bit smaller than this, but this is $55 and this is like 40. But right now they have like a $50 buy one, get one, like a BOGO on these, a buy one, get one free. And I don't think I've ever seen them do BOGOs on this. So I would take advantage of that. The lemon lime is probably my favorite flavor from them. So yeah, those are just some alternatives. Liquid IV, you don't want to take electrolytes that have sucralose, dextrose, all these horrible things in them. These are the two favorite electrolytes personally that I've taken, Optimized Minerals and Paleovalley. I think I like Paleovalley a little bit more because it tastes a little bit better. And specifically, I love that they mix seaweed extract, sea salt, and coconut. Coconut electrolytes or coconut water powder is actually beneficial because they've used it in blood transfusions. So it's the closest thing that mimics human blood. And then seaweed extract has a really nice array of trace minerals, and then sea salt is a really great source of sodium, which when you sweat, you release the most sodium. So if you sweat a lot, if you get in the sun, if you're in the gym a lot, Paleovalley electrolytes honestly are my favorite, and they just taste amazing. Like, you're gonna love these. Your kids are gonna love them. The lemon lime flavor, like I said, is probably my favorite, and probably the watermelon is second. So I will link all those up below. But yeah, I mean, I really like them both. So check those out below. And if you want discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands, visit healthywellfree.com/shop. That will give you discounts on more than 30 different brands. I'm talking discount codes, free shipping, special offers on supplements, superfoods, nutrition, health technology, barefoot minimalist shoes, red lights, hydrogen water bottles, and so much more. So check that out right below in the description. Subscribe to the channel here below. Leave your comments and questions right below this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.